In this video, I'll guide you through how to cancel Namecheap hosting, whether you're moving to a new provider, downsizing, or just cleaning up old services you no longer use. I'll walk you through each step so you know exactly what to expect and what to look out for. First, you'll need to get to your Namecheap dashboard. Start by signing in to your Namecheap account in your web browser. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main account panel, which is often called the dashboard. This is the central place where you can see and manage all of your Namecheap products, including domains, hosting, SSL certificates, and more. From this dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You should see a vertical menu with different sections. Find and click on the option labeled Hosting List. This section is dedicated specifically to your hosting services. After you click it, you'll see a list of all the hosting plans that are currently active in your account. Next, find the specific hosting plan you want to cancel. If you only have one, it will be easy to spot. If you have multiple hosting plans, take a moment to double check the domain name or the plan name so you're sure you're canceling the right one. This is important because once you cancel, you may lose files, databases, and email accounts connected to that hosting package. When you've located the correct hosting plan, look for the Manage button next to it. This button is usually on the right side of that hosting entry. Go ahead and click Manage. This will open up a detailed view of that particular hosting service where you can see settings, usage details, and other management options. In this hosting management view, you'll now look for the Cancel Service option. The exact location can vary slightly depending on Namecheap's current layout, but it's typically either in the top right corner of the page or under a section called Account Actions or something similar. Take a moment to scan the page for any link or button labeled Cancel Service or Cancel Hosting. Once you've found the Cancel Service button, click it. Namecheap will then display a brief cancellation form. This form usually asks you for a reason for cancelling and may provide options such as cancelling immediately or at the end of the billing period. Read these options carefully so you understand when the hosting will actually stop and when your files will no longer be available. Fill out the required fields in the cancellation form. Keep your explanation clear and honest. It can help the provider improve their service, but you don't need to go into too much detail. After you've selected your preferred cancellation timing and completed any required fields, review everything one more time to make sure it matches what you want. When you're ready, submit the cancellation form. After submission, you should see a confirmation message on the screen, and you may also receive a confirmation email. It's a good idea to check your inbox and save that email for your records. Before you close everything, make sure you've backed up any important website files or databases, because once the cancellation is processed, that data may no longer be accessible. And that's it. You've now successfully cancelled your Namecheap hosting.